Hi everyone, Instagram has a new update inside of Instagram Stories, and that's a section for featured stickers. They've been rolling out so many stickers over the last few years, so it's a little bit hard to see the new ones, but now with the featured section, they show up right on top. So I want to show you the new ones that are available right now, but I'm really excited about this because now every time there are new stickers that I could use to promote my Instagram page, it's gonna be a lot easier to find. So let's jump in here to our Instagram page and make sure you subscribe if you're not already, because I post these type of updates all the time so you never miss an Instagram update. Right here, let's jump into our story by pressing our profile icon on our profile page. I'll go ahead and take a picture. I just have my hand in front of it. And right now, if you press the sticker icon right on top, you should see this section on top called Featured. Because it's a voting season, the 3 stickers on top are all related to voting. But I'm assuming with this new section, Instagram will roll out different stickers here right on top. Now, to use any of these stickers, you just press one of them and it will add it to your story. Now, your background could be anything. I didn't take a picture of anything, but you could take a picture of something and then put these stickers. If you tap them, they change. Let me actually add another one here so you can see a couple of different ones next to each other. Here's another one. And then when you post them and people click on them, this is what's gonna happen. It says viewers will be able to tap and see more about voting early. So it describes what the sticker is for. So if you post it to your story, someone taps it, they're gonna get the information that that little text told you about. And it's really that simple. Once you're ready and you kind of decorate your Instagram story, all you have to do is press your story right here and it will go ahead and post it to your story. And it's that simple. People right now could click your story and see that post as soon as it's posted and click any of these to get the information that that sticker provides. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.